Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to try another product. I don't even remember where I bought this because I've had some products sitting here for quite a while, to be honest. It might, oh, you know what? This might have been something that one of you guys requested a while ago. Yeah, we're going to do another curly hair product video. And guys, I've been trying to mix it up for those of you because some of you are like, I don't even have curly hair, but I watch, so that makes me feel so good. But I don't want you to have to always see curly hair products only, so I do try to mix it up for you guys. But we're going to do it anyway today. We're going to do a curly hair product. This one is, and I don't know if I'm going to say it right, Mielle? This is Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie. Enhances curls with soft definition for thick, curly type 4 hair. Now, I don't have type 4 hair, but it does say, which is why I said, okay, I guess I can get it. It said, for type 4 hair, however, perfect for any curled pattern, any in all bold. So I guess that'll work. Pomegranate and Honey Curl Smoothie gives soft definition for weightless curls, adding shine and preventing frizz. Provides deeper definition for finer hair types. Can be used as a daily moisturizer to provide long-lasting, intense hydration for dry curls. I like the story. It was created by a woman called Monique Rodriguez. She is a registered nurse, wife, and a mother, and this is her concoction, I guess you could say. So let's try it out. This is like around $10. I don't want to put too much because I have no idea how this is gonna, it doesn't seem like it's gonna be too thick, but I don't want to overdo it either. And all you guys yell at me, you use way too much product. It smells pretty. It smells like pomegranate. Feels good too. I know I could put a little more, I could tell, so we'll put more in. Because honestly guys, I've said it 1,000 times, the more I put in, the better my curls look. It's just the way it is. I don't know if you could see from the video, but I have so much hair. Like, people who touch my hair are like, oh my god, like, you have a lot of hair. I have a lot of it. So I know it looks like I used a lot, but I want each strand to get coated, so that's why I use a lot. And it shows, let me tell you, it shows if I use a lot or a little. If I use too little, my curls just won't last. It's not heavy. I have thick hair too on top of it, and it's coarse and dry, so like my hair sucks up the product right away, and then I have a lot of hair to spread it around. So that's kind of why I have to have a lot. And if you have thick hair and you have a lot of it like me, trust me, just use a little extra and you'll see the difference. And I understand why it looks like, oh my god, that would never work, because if you don't have a lot of hair like me, yeah, it's gonna be horrible. You're gonna have too much product in your hair. It's gonna be weighed down and greasy looking, especially if your hair's not even dry too on top of it. So again, it all depends on how much hair you have, your thickness, your texture. Everything depends on how much product you put in your hair. I mean, it really depends. Like, you see, when I blow my hair out, which you saw that I think on the last video, I use very little product. That's when I don't use a lot of product, because when it's blown out, then you can see like it's too heavy and greasy. So okay, product feels good, actually. It really does. It feels good. So let's get to styling and see how this turns out. I think I'm just gonna hover today instead of like doing this. I haven't done it in a while, so it still works as good, so it's not that I'm not giving this product a chance. Besides the fact, you know, I give products, I try them until the quarterly review, so if it doesn't come out good, I'll try all different ways, but that's what I'm gonna do today. Okay, I'm all done, and what do you think? I think my curls look really good. They're definitely, when I hover instead of doing this, I get a little bit of a bigger effect, which I kind of like sometimes. Let me move up a little. Look how shiny and not greasy. I mean, My hand does feel a little like greasy, but not annoying. And I'll tell you, I just put it right on myself. It feels good because it smells good too. But it gave me really nice, it definitely gave me nice soft curls. Do you see that? Definitely defined curls. Yeah. Curls look fantastic. I think. I like them. I'll take you along because even though it's not early morning, it's already like afternoon, early afternoon, I have to go look at apartments with my daughters. We're all going. It's like a family event. I don't know how we're all going, but we're all going because there's nothing else to do later because they need an apartment closer to the city. So we're going to go check out some places. And I don't know if I could show you the apartments, but we'll just check in and we'll see how well the hair stays. I like it. And I like my new color. It's darker. It's different for the fall. I like it. Okay, I guess that's it. And I will catch up with you guys in a bit. All right, taking a quick look before I leave. Hair still looks good. It's a sunny day out, so it should be fine. I feel like it's a little like heavy, so maybe I didn't need as much. I don't know. But I could tell if I didn't have as much, see, it would get frizzy. That's the thing. It's like you either have defined curls or a little heavy, but I know me. My hair's probably gonna go back today. It does feel so good though. It feels so soft and nourishing. It really, really does. I like it. Hello, we just sat in so much traffic, right, Sophia?
Yeah.
How's the hair look though? Not too bad actually. It looks good. Actually, it does look still good. Mm-hmm. It's so nice
it's a
out.
curvy temperature.
Yeah. Oh, don't you look pretty? I know, but it's, well, we're getting Shake Shack and it's like literally so cold in there. All right, guys, look at this view that I'm walking into. Insane.
Yes.
Like, are you kidding me? Oh my God. It looks so good. That's looking good. I'm gonna go because I'm sweating. And I just want to go home so bad.
I want to go home so bad. Like, we're all sweating and we're all tired.
Hello, everyone. Okay, it's the next day. And actually, it's 2 days later. I'm lying. I redid it because I felt bad. I felt like that video I made was like, I was in a crabby mood. I really was. So I wanted to try it again. And I put a lot less in, trying to figure it out. I did like my hair the other day. I like how it looks now. It's flattening because it's a heavier product, because I think, you know, it might not just be as great if your hair is under 4. I mean, 3C, obviously. I'm like more like a 3. I don't know. I used to be more curlier as I was younger, but I don't know. My point is, if your hair's not dry, if you don't have very dry hair, then I don't think you're gonna like this. It's gonna weigh your hair down, and it's definitely on the greasier end, but you can still get a nice look with it. My hair is so extremely dry, so it sucks it right up. It's okay, but even for me, it's a little weighed down, and my hair is completely dry. So, just wanted to show you guys. I do like it, but if your hair is any less curlier than mine, if you don't have as much, if it's not as dry, if it's not as coarse, you might not like this as much. But yeah, anyway, I'm still gonna use this, especially like if I'm just in the house and stuff. Is it at my favorite top of the list? No, but it's not something that I'm like, I'll never use this again. And you guys know I have products like that I'm like, and I like this one. Okay, so I thought I would just end the video, give you a little more footage, because I felt bad too. I was like, again, not in a good mood. And I have all this stuff to open up that I got delivered, and I don't even know. I got some things because I'm going to Jamaica. If we're going still. Who knows what can happen tomorrow with COVID, but we're going to Jamaica end of September. And there's just some things I don't have that just doesn't fit me right, so I want to get a few more things, and these bags have been sitting, so I hope that they're probably so wrinkled. I'm not doing like a haul. I'll just show you what I got. And then you'll see them when I'm in Jamaica wearing it. How about that? Except for some items. Okay, I'm just setting it up like this so that I have my hands free and I can show you what I got. This is H&M. I got this pretty black and white spaghetti strap dress. Isn't that cute and adorable? It kind of like cinches here too. So I thought this would be good for dinner one night. And again, you're gonna see these when I go to Jamaica, not now. Oh, right, I remember this now. This is a kind of cool, also a spaghetti strap, black and white, mostly black. And it's got like a shine to the material, almost like spandexy. I hope it fits. Another one you'll see. I just need like, I just needed like dresses for dinner, you know, to go out at night. That I had told you, I don't know if you guys remember in a couple, I'm sorry, it's so weird. A couple of videos ago, I had said that I do have a lot of summer dresses, but what happened is I lost a lot of weight. No, I mean, I lost some weight. I didn't lose a tremendous amount, but I lost a lot of weight that, you know, like things just don't fit right. And it literally I can't, it just looks ridiculous. So I just needed a few more dresses to kind of get away with. And it's end of summer sales, maybe, hopefully, I think I had gotten them. So, yeah, I picked these up, so let's continue. Oh, this is more Venus. Like I don't have enough Venus. Oh my gosh, I don't know. This is a red spaghetti strap dress. Little simple, very wrinkled. I don't know, I think it'll be nice, simple. I just wanted simple dresses. What size is this one? See, I got this in the same size though, because I got medium. I don't know if I'm gonna be a small. So we'll see if that fits. Oh my god, I got a lot from Venus. Oh my goodness, forgot about these. Now I'm excited. Hopefully they fit. They're shorts, because I have like no shorts. I have no shorts. I got rid of all my shorts. I've held on to shorts forever because they never fit me. Sure, I lose weight now, right? After I've gotten rid of them all. Pair of white shorts. Pair of beach shorts. They all fit. They're all really wrinkled. Okay, I remember getting this just because it was on sale and it looked so comfy. So this has nothing to do with my trip to Jamaica, although I might bring it. It's just like a cozy, comfy, long sleeved pocket sweatshirt kind of dress. Oh, I like it though. I don't know when you're gonna see that, but I'll show it to you, don't worry. Not in today's video though. I went on a shopping spree this past week. Oh, I don't know if I'm keeping these. I got these from Chico. They're just a pair of black slacks. That's all. Just literally spandex. I'll try them on because I always need pants, right? So, not for my trip, but they're the wide leg. I got wide leg on the bottom. Try those on. I feel like my coloring is yellow, but I got some bathing suits. Now, I got some bathing suits, and the whole thing is I think this is the first year I really, well no, the last couple of years I've been wearing one pieces. I always wore bikinis, haven't worn them in a while, wasn't comfortable, and just like realized how comfortable it is just to wear like a one piece. You don't have to worry about like, oh, my stomach. But I'm like, Joe of course is like, you're not bringing bikinis? I did pick up a couple of bikinis because I feel like my bikinis were like outdated, you know? So I got a little more of a revealing bottom because all my bathing suits have like normal size bottoms, but I wanted one that shows my butt cheeks a little more. So you're not gonna see me in those. I'm not gonna be showing those off, but you know, who knows, maybe we'll get a glimpse, but I'll show you them now because they're really pretty. Actually, and I did try these on and I did like them. So Let me show you. So this, I just love the rust color. It's from Waffle. I think that's the website I got from. I don't even remember, but oh no, it's not from Waffle. Anyway, I can't remember the website, but I'll try and link them below if I remember. Yeah, this is what I got. Absolutely love the color, and hopefully I don't see anybody I know. And then I got this one because I love the color of this one too. And you know what's funny? I think my daughter has this one in another color, but hers wouldn't fit me, so I got my own. Okay, this one, not so funny story on this. Alright guys, I just put my hair back because I think we're done with the hair part of the video. Look, it's even dark. Anyway, I got that bathing suit from Amazon, you know, in the beginning of the summer. I never got to use it. I brought it to a friend's house. I ended up not wanting to go in the pool, but it was in a bag, and I'm thinking Joe put in a towel that was a beach towel after he went in the water and it was wet, or maybe his bathing suit even. He did get a new bathing suit. I bet that's what it was. And he put it on top of my bathing suit that I never got to wear yet, and I had red patches all over it. But I loved it. I love this bathing suit. I never got to wear it. And it was maybe $20, but I repurchased it. I know, I'm so silly. Because I never go in, I didn't even think I went to a pool this year, except for Florida. But, you know, I'm going to be there Monday to Friday. So there's going to be days I'm going to want my one pieces. And I really like that. I want to wear it, so I got it. Hair's back. I'm going to finish in my favorite place in the house, my new bathroom. But I just want to say, again, not a bad product at all. But if your hair is, again, less curly, less coarse, less dry than mine, this might be a little too much greasy for you. So it depends on your hair. You don't need as much as I put in, I guess, in the first time, although I do see it more frizzy. It was more defined, yes, the other day when I had more product in there and I really took my time. So it just depends. I don't know what to say on that. That's up to you. That is a total personal preference on how much product to use for your hair, because we all have different hair types. So on that note, I'm going to say goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. And that's it. So till then, have a good one. Bye guys.